Draw Learning. Hello guys, welcome to Draw Learning channel. Today we are going to draw a beach while we learn Spanish. First, let's draw a square that in Spanish is said cuadrado. Let's draw a palm tree that is said PALMERA. These are the leaves that in Spanish is said HOJA. Now let's draw a beach cube. Cube in Spanish is CUBO. Now we are going to draw a nice sandcastle that in Spanish is said Castillo de Arena. We draw the sea. Sea in Spanish is mar. We draw the sun, that in Spanish is said sol. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say beach in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. Let's go with the violet color. That is said VIOLETA. Let's go with orange, that in Spanish is said naranja. Let's go with the blue color, which in Spanish is AZUL. Let's go with the yellow color. Yellow in Spanish is AMARILLO. Let's see if you know the answer. Beach in Spanish is playa. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.